Hey there, welcome back to the 1x tutorial series. In this video, we'll teach you the basics of trading on 1x. We'll walk you through the process of selecting tokens, swapping tokens that aren't on the list, and executing exact input and output swaps. So, let's dive in. Before you start trading, make sure your wallet is connected to the 1x platform. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, check out our tutorial on connecting your MetaMask wallet to 1x. Once your wallet is connected, head over to the Trade tab, which should be open by default when you access the 1x web application. In the Trade tab, you'll see the Swap section. Here you can set the input token and the amount you want to trade. Click on Select Token to choose the token you want to receive in return. Browse the list of available tokens and click on the one you want to select. If you can't find the token you're looking for, don't worry, there's a solution to that also. If the token you want to swap isn't available in the list, you can add it manually using its contract address. First, you'll need to find the contract address of the token you want to trade. You can usually find this information on the token's official website or on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Once you have the contract address, go back to the Select Token window in the 1x web application. Paste the contract address into the search bar, and the token should appear below. Click on the token to add it to your list. 1x allows you to execute exact input and output swaps, giving you more control over your trading experience. An exact input swap means you specify the amount of the input token you want to trade and the minimum amount of the output token you want to receive. This is the default option on 1x. To execute an exact input swap, simply input the amount of the input token you want to trade and the minimum amount of the output token you'd like to receive. After reviewing the details, click on the Swap button to initiate the trade. To execute an exact output swap, click on the double arrow icon between the input and output token fields to switch their positions. Now input the amount of the output token you want to receive and the maximum amount of the input token you're willing to trade. After reviewing the detail, click on the Swap button to initiate the trade. And that's it! You now know how to trade on 1x using the basic features, including selecting tokens, swapping tokens not on the list, and executing exact input and output swaps. As you gain more experience with the platform, you'll be able to take advantage of more advanced features to optimize your trading experience. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy trading!